Hello everyone, I'm Niku and welcome to my channel The Monk Who Made Tarkari. Tarkari is, you'd say, it's a Bhojpuri word. So, whatever side dish we make at home along with chapati and rice, we call it Tarkari. It's a mix of vegetables. I chose this name for my channel because I want to talk about how women are dealing with their life nowadays. The most difficult thing for a woman is to think, grow in your thoughts. Growing in your thoughts is very important. If you just be in the four walls of your thoughts, you will not progress in life. And progressing is in life doesn't mean that you have to make that big, that if you are working in a company, you have to achieve all the targets, you have to just jump ranks after rank, or one day you have to become the CEO of the company. Or if you're a homemaker, so there is a silent fight going on in a home, that who will be the best bahu of the house. So you don't have to win that khitab to become the best bahu of the house. You're a best mother, your son loves you, you're the best wife, you know that, your husband every day vouches for it. So first of all, stop looking for these validations. Look for validation from your own self. You are the protagonist of your life. You're the most important person of your life. First, accept yourself and then expect this from others. So, what we women do, we don't actually accept ourselves. We just keep looking on for validation from others. Why is that so? Because it's a huge thing. So let's go step by step. So in my channel, The Monk Who Made Tarkari, we'll just think about this. The most important thing for a woman is to take that first step. So it is the most difficult thing. What is the most difficult thing? To take that first step. Suppose you're a homemaker and you want to leave your child back home and start your second innings of career. So we just keep thinking, how will this work out? How will that happen? How will that happen? It will happen. The world was working without you. It will work without you. So there are again two aspects to it. Don't feel that you are the most important, but don't demean yourself too. Obviously, you are very important for your own life. So demeaning yourself there's a contradiction between these two thought process, but we have to whatever work for ourselves, we have to think like that. Mind is a very complex thing. A small thought, like a germ, it enters your mind, and then you lose your sleep, and then you cry, and then you get angry. So there is one mind. We can either keep positive thoughts in it or negative thoughts in it. So why not focus on the positive thing? This positive word is so big, na? Positive, socho, positive karo, positive vibes chahiye, positive ye chahiye. What is this positive? Everything is starting with your thoughts. So try to engineer your thoughts. Your thoughts are so important. Take a very conscious effort. When you change at your thought level, your life will change. You just sit back and relax. You're watching my video. You're having various kinds of thoughts in your mind. So how these thoughts are created? What we see, we think. What we hear, we think. What somebody tells us about somebody else or something else, we again think. So we have to make that conscious effort, that I'm thinking positive about a thing, I'm thinking negative about a thing, am I constantly criticizing something? So if we are doing that, we need to reflect back on ourselves, because this is only one life. And in Hinduism we say ना, there is 84 लाख योनियों से गुजरना पड़ता है ये ह्यूमन लाइफ पाने के लिए. तो you can be from a starfish to a seal to a snail. We have passed all through to get this human existence, and only the humans can think. And the maximum lifespan nowadays is 90 years. Maximum in 84 lakhs yonis, आपको बस 90 साल मिल रहा है सोचने के लिए. So उस सोच को अच्छा बनाओ. Cleanse your thoughts, purify your thoughts, and as a woman, take that first step. So today, I request all of you to just sit, ponder, and think. What is that one thing that you want to do? Obviously, I am the best homemaker. I am taking care of my family nicely. I am giving 200% at my work. But apart from that, as a woman, आपकी और भी कुछ इच्छाएं होंगी, definitely होंगी, because women is always meant to think big. Small is not for we women, okay? So we have to think big. So today just sit and ponder what big thing you want. So I'll just leave you with one example that, as I said, taking that one step is very difficult. For just making this video clip, just I have to switch on the video of my mobile and sit in front of the camera and just talk something. This took so long time because हमारे thoughts, हमारे काम की बेड़ियों ने पैर जकड़ रखे. But जब उस संकुचित thought से जब निकलेंगे तो obviously the video is in front of you. So ladies, get up, and everybody, not only ladies, just get up and take that first step, and then you'll see that everything else is falling in place for you. Namaste.